Welcome to another episode of Crazy Football Mom. Today I'm shopping for everything. It's just kind of a weird day for us. A weird transition day. The kids are getting out of school soon. We have a lot of randomness. So I don't have a full day to put in at the office. And so instead I am kind of going to all my favorite stores to see what's on sale, what can I find, clearance maybe, some good FBA products. And did I start at Goodwill? Yes, with a cup of coffee. It's my happy place. Let's see what I can find to sell. That's a goal. I think that's it. Let's go. First place you go to when you come in here. I usually go to these racks. This is cool. Those are cool. My kids would like these. Interesting stuff today. It's like a set of these. It's new. I feel like I should get those. Let me check it out. Oh, my grandma had these plates. Okay, so this next store is specific for Amazon. It's okay. Here it is. A lot of times, though, they'll have great clearance, discontinued stuff, and so I like to stop in here every once in a while, especially on a random day like this. Let's see what we can find. It's so pretty out, too. Look at those clouds, yo. When I come into a store like this, I think a lot of people are wondering where you go, what you do, and it can be overwhelming. Oh, look, clearance. These are really good. I mean, not good, tasty, good to sell. So I have my favorite places. I feel like cleaning and topicals can be really good. So that is where I kind of head to. Especially this is a small town store vibe, and so they could have discontinued products or even give you heads up of products to watch out for. Okay, another place that I always stop by are these beauty sections, because sometimes you can find some pretty good deals, and this is next to the like gluten-free, organic, specialty type food. And that's also a really good place. This caught my eye. Some Burt's Bees products can be really good. Let's check it out. Okay, I stumbled on this product, which also pretty good deal, but a couple things I want to say that I look for is the expiration date. That is too close. Also, I'm going to show you on Amazon, the brand is actually selling this as well. So even though it's profitable, I'm not going to do it. Keep it moving. Okay, I didn't get anything there. I want to buy in bigger quantities. So that's why wholesale can be so awesome. It's a big jump though, right? From buying here in a store and spending like $20 to spending hundreds of dollars on a product. So it is nice just to go into stores like this and see what's maybe getting clearance and discontinued out. It kind of is just added to my brain of useless information. My last stop of the day. Let's hit it. Okay, I got some good stuff. I feel like we always need stuff like this. Check your Walmart clearance. They have a lot of good stuff out right now. And always scan them because some of it is not even marked down all the way, and then you scan it and realize, ooh, Poshmark bags. This is cute. Oh, it's a harness. Okay, I made it back from my day. I got a lot at Walmart, and I'm tempted to go to another Walmart that clearance was awesome. Like dollar items for sunscreens and bug sprays. Why not? I did see that Amazon is on a lot of those listings, but you can be super competitive at those prices. This is my very small Goodwill haul. This is a all-clad frying pan. I just looked up eBay solds and thought I'd give it a shot. I paid $5.99. I did end up getting these guys because there was a set and this one was new. I paid $3.99 for each. So we'll see what happens. And oh, I found these Lululemon pants, but tons of piling. Is it pilling or piling? Pilling. So yeah, we'll see if we can make these work enough to sell them. And then I got myself this sweater. Loft, but look how cute. Okay, and that is my quick haul. Thank you for coming along with me today. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have a great day, a great weekend. Until next time, bye.